Okay.
Tell me when the timer starts.
Started. Okay. Soda can Mythbusters 1. A soda can hit, not shaken, will explode if shot by something hard enough. Okay. So Steven here will shoot it. Okay, maybe it's a bit shaken.
With a deadly slingshot.
Shaken, not stirred.
Test one.
Test 1, hunting slingshot. You suck at aiming.
That's number 1.
Dude, what if you hit the door?
I think it's gonna bounce.
Sue it.
Sue it.
Sue it for being in the way. Okay, shoot it. Dude, aim lower.
Get closer, like on this rock.
If you want, I'll do it. Because I probably have better aim than you. You're in the danger zone.
Fuck, I'm in the danger zone too. True!
Confirmed.
True!
Confirmed. It went straight through it.
Confirmed. Myth confirmed.
Look at me.
Show him the
It's all over me.
Show it. Show him. Show him. Show him how it's all over Steven.
It shot completely through.
Let me see.
Guys, everywhere. It actually smells pretty good.
I know, right?
That's how to
Look
drink.
at that clean freaking hole.
That's how to drink soda without opening the top. DJ.
Dude, get that out. My dad's gonna kill you.